Hello everybody, welcome to ISPO. We are here with the Team Riders International to talking about Technica Breezer free mountain products.
Hey, I'm Eric Zeller, a member of the Technica Blizzard Free Mountain team. The last couple of years I've been just traveling all over the world, been to South America, Chile, Argentina, New Zealand, and just to try to ski big mountains and big mountain lines. I'm also based in Andermatt right now, where there's only really steep mountains. My absolute favorite, the Blizzard Bodacious, our widest ski in the range with 118 mil underfoot. It's definitely the ski for the big dump days, for the big mountain lines. If you have 30 centimeters of fresh, this is the skis you want to use. This year we made it even better. It's more versatile, more playful, a lighter wood core. So it was really nice to develop and help Blizzard to make the ski even better. This ski comes in two different length sizes, which are 186 and 196. The 86 is perfect for everyday powder ski. You can use it in trees, easy pillows, and you take out the 196 if you really want to charge the big mountain lines, do contest runs, or just go a high alpine.